Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Another microphone review for you today. Very excited as always. Thanks for FIFINE Technology for sending this microphone for review. In the end of this video, I'll give you my honest opinion. So this review will be unbiased as always. So let's jump to the video and let's see what comes in the box. Okay, so let's see what comes in the box. Excited as always. I love to review microphones. Ta-da! So, user manual. This microphone is plug and play. We have a note from the company. This is always nice. On the top we have a pop filter. This is always nice if you do podcasts or recordings, vocal, music, and so on. This is quite steady. This is nice. I'll leave it on the side. And now the goodies. What we have here. So we have some attachments. This is nice. So on the top we have basically everything that you need to start your YouTube podcast and so on. So yeah, everything is here, so you don't need anything else basically. So we have the pop filter, wind filter. We have the cable. This is I believe it's 2.5 meters long USB cable. We have the shock mount. You can see this is nice. I'll leave it on the side. We have the C-clamp. So C-clamp, you can attach this to any desktop surface, whatever you prefer. This is nice. Actually it's quite plasticky, but it's good. I mean, it's not bad. Okay, I put this on the side. Also, something interesting, the microphone comes with a small tripod. So if you don't want to use the scissors arm, you can use the small tripod that comes with. So this is always nice. And actually this small tripod is quite steady. It's metal. So this is nice. So I'll show you in the video how the microphone will look like on the small tripod. So a lot of attachments. And now we have the scissors boom arm. As you can see, pretty straightforward. It's nice. Last but not least, let me put this on the side just to have a look properly the microphone. So last but not least, we have the microphone. So as you can see, it's a little bit heavy, which is nice. This is always good. And what we have here, we have a volume control, as you can see. So this is good if you want to gain a little bit the volume for your recordings. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Everything in the box, a lot of attachments. And now let's see how is the sound quality, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, so the microphone is set up. So as you can see, this is my usual position. So I do like the way that the microphone stands, so you can put it, so it's very good. You can find your perfect spot. Also, like I mentioned, the microphone comes with a ton of attachments, which this is very good. If you don't prefer the scissor arm, the microphone comes with a small tripod, which is very good. It's very handy. So at the moment, the microphone, as you can listen, so I think this is the right spot for me. I don't wanna put the volume quite up because it's gonna be a disturbing, but I think this is the right spot for me. I do like it. Couple of things that I do like. First is I like the cable. The cable is very good. Also, the cable comes with some cable management option here, which is nice. Always is nice. Also, the scissor arm is good. It's very flexible, so you can move it the perfect way. You can find a different way for you. So as you can see, you can move it. This is very good. So it's nice to find your spot. Also, I put the wind foam on the top. So again, the microphone comes with a ton of attachments. This is always plus. So let me know what you think about the sound. This is very important. So the sound is very important because obviously you're gonna buy the microphone, obviously because the sound, you start a YouTube channel, a podcast. Okay, now my personal opinion. So this is my opinion. If you not agree with me, I completely understand. There's two things that I don't like personally in this microphone. I know the FIFINE technology sent me the microphone for free, and this is my personal opinion, so I have to make sure that this is completely right. Let's start with the first, and the first is the price. Currently the microphone sells in UK for £70, £69.99. Personally, I think the microphone is quite expensive. £70 is quite a lot for this microphone. Now this microphone is quite popular, but personally I think £70 is too much. This is my opinion. If you not agree with me, I completely understand. Second, features. The microphone comes only with a volume knob. So there's no headphone jack and there's no mute button. Personally, I prefer to have these three features. The volume is very important, so you always can adjust the volume up and down. Mute button for me is very important. So if you start let's say a stream, podcast, whatever you do, if you have to sneeze or if you have to cough or something, just take a couple of seconds, press the mute button, perfect. And third, for me it's very important, headphone jack. It's very important for me because when I record myself, I like to listen to myself to see if actually is this recording, and just to monitorize your environment, your background noise and so on. So this is the top features that I prefer. For you, maybe this is not important. Maybe the headphone jack, the mute button are not very important for you, but personally this is something important for me. So yeah, pretty much this is the two things that I don't like personally. But yeah, let me know what do you think, guys. I mean, maybe this is not something that you prefer to have, but personally this is the thing that I prefer. Again, the microphone is good, comes with a lot of attachments, plus if you start a YouTube channel, podcast and so on, it's good. But leave your comments down below. Let me know what do you think about the sound quality. Sound quality is very important. And yeah, I mean, thanks for FIFINE Technology for sending this microphone for review. Once again, this is Stefan. I'll see you in the next video.